Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, my name is Denise. I just came back from the grocery store. I actually wanted to show you guys sort of what I buy when I go to the grocery store to help with my fitness and my health and wellness journey. I've been really trying to eat healthy, eat a balanced diet, less carbs, just for blood sugar regulations. So yeah, also drinking some spearmint tea because it's that time of the month. That's all I gotta say. It's that time of the month. I also came back from my hot girl walk. Today is my off day, so I have like 5 days off in a row. I work 4 days in a row, and today's my first day off. And I did about a 2.6 mile walk. So then I went to the grocery store, and here we are. I'm trying to be very mindful of what I eat. This is just sort of to show you guys kind of what I buy when I go to the grocery store. I didn't buy everything I needed. I didn't go to all the grocery stores that I usually go to. I typically go to 3, Aldis, Walmart, and Whole Foods. I was just kind of rushing and really didn't feel like being in a grocery store on a Saturday of all days. Just too many people. I usually go to the grocery store during the week because there's less people and I'm not bumping into everybody. It was just a lot of people at Aldis today. I was like, I'm not feeling it. And so this is just what I got. I ended up spending a total of $90, I believe. Ignore the pole in the background. I have 3 of these bags that I got from Aldis. So let's go through it and show you guys all the stuff that I got. I always grab French beans. I got about 3 bags of that. I bought this kale. I usually get this. This is literally the only kale that I buy nowadays when I go to Aldis. I used to get the ones that you wash and chop up yourself, but life be lifing and I don't have the time. So I get this. It's the organic Simply Nature chopped kale. I grabbed 2 bags of these, 2 bags of the spinach. I got some celery, and I bought some vegetables, some frozen veggies. This is the California medley, 3 bags. And whenever I buy these, obviously it's frozen, so I just keep it in the freezer. And I have different types of frozen vegetables, and I just usually stir fry them when I'm needing more vegetables quickly. And then I got some carrots. I usually get the raw carrots. Started buying these recently just to eat with my cucumbers as well. I usually buy these type of cucumbers at Aldi's and chop them, put them together and eat it with like hummus or some dip. Speaking of dip, I also got some tzatziki. This is the spinach and parmesan with Greek yogurt. Although I've been literally saying I'm gonna make it myself because I like making things from scratch myself for the most part, like dips and stuff like that. I make my own hummus now. I don't think I've ever bought hummus store-bought. I usually just make it with chickpeas, but I got this a couple days ago or a couple months ago, and I like the taste of this. And then I got some potatoes. For fruits, I got some cantaloupes. And then I love pineapples, of course, so I always buy pineapples when I go grocery shopping. So avocados, because who doesn't love avocados? And then more fruits, mandarins from Aldis. I love eating mandarins throughout the week. I got some peppers, more tomatoes. This is the cherry or grape tomatoes. And for meats, like my proteins and stuff, I got chicken. And this is just regular chicken thighs. I love chicken thighs, so that's what I usually get when I go get chicken. And then I got some chicken sausage. I've never really bought this, so I just wanted to try it out for a quick breakfast. So I'll let you guys know how it tastes, but it's the Never Any apple maple chicken breakfast sausage. I don't do pork or anything like that, so whenever I get any type of sausage, I'll do the chicken or turkey sausage. I just got some tilapia. Make sure if you buy this from Aldi's, read the back of the ingredients. Some of them contain carbon monoxide as preservative, and then there's some that does not. So I always opt for things that do not contain any preservative. This one just has tilapia in it, literally nothing else, just tilapia. I don't know if you guys can read that, but It's this brand. There's literally another brand that's exactly like this, and it has the carbon monoxide. I don't get it, but I got the turkey bacon from Aldis as well. This is uncured turkey bacon. And for snacks, I always grab these pita bread or pita crackers, like I said, to do with my dips. Thin wheat. It's also, there's another brand called With Thins. I'm assuming these will taste similar to it. I've had this before, I just don't remember what it tastes like. It's been a while. But I got these crackers, these two for snacking purposes. So I grabbed the raw organic cashews. These are really good source of protein. Literally just contains cashews, nothing else. And then I got some whole natural almonds. I always grab the raw almonds because I don't really like the taste of like roasted nuts and stuff like that. I guess it depends on the type. And this is also a great source of protein if you're looking to add more protein in your life. And you already know I love my kombachas, or kombucha. I never know how to pronounce it, but I got two of them at Aldis, and these have less added sugars. I used to get the other brand, I forgot what it was called, but it had like extra 16 grams of added sugar. So I saw these and I'm like, let's try this. It doesn't have a lot of sugar. It has 16 grams, but only 3 grams of added sugar. So hopefully it tastes good. Let's try it right now. Ooh, I shook it too much. Uh-oh. So I did not know it was gonna, like, I've never had kombucha do that for me, but it's very carbonated. I don't even know if I want to drink this right now because it has a lot of carbonation and I feel like it's gonna make my stomach hurt more. But let's try. It's good. It's good. I like it. I think that's all that I got. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I said, it was really just a short grocery shopping that I did, given it's a Saturday. I was not trying to go to all these other grocery stores on a Saturday afternoon because everybody and their mamas be in the stores. And I'm an introvert. I would rather just be in a very, like, just headphones in, walking to the grocery store, not bumping into anybody. So, and I can just do another day. So whenever I go get more groceries, I will probably add it into this video. Maybe not. I end up going to BJ's, and this is more of like some of the stuff that I buy when I go to BJ's, which is like once every 3 months or something like that. It has barely any sugar. I think, let me turn it around. 15 grams of carbs, only 1 gram of added sugar, so it's not that bad. And there's 18 in a pack. Also got some peanut butter because I usually use this for my smoothies, and I've been trying to find like a healthier alternative to like the regular peanut butter that I used to get, like the Jif brand. This one literally only has peanuts. It said roasted peanuts and organic dry roasted peanuts and sea salt. And I got some cauliflower rice just for those days where I'm just looking for a quick non-carb vegetable, and these taste really good. You can eat it with literally anything. So I got that, and then I got more milk. This is the Califia brand. I think it's the coconut almond milk. I got 2 packs. It was actually a great deal. 2 packs for $7. I saw this Chobani Greek yogurt. I'm out of my yogurt, and I've been like making yogurt parfaits with like apple, cinnamon, oats, granolas, all this stuff. So I was like, I need more yogurt. I've been eating a lot of yogurt lately, and it's just good for you. It has a lot of probiotics, so why not? Tzatziki, which I showed you guys yesterday, the one I got from Aldis, but I went to BJ's and I saw they had a bigger container of it, so I got this one. It's the same one. I think actually this is cucumber, garlic, and dill. That one was like spinach and parmesan, I think. So this might taste a little different, but hopefully it's still tasty. I sometimes like to chew on some chips and just pack them for work snacks. Just a little bit of a salty snack pretty much. Again, just trying to do a more mindful grocery shopping lately and just being mindful of what I buy and what I eat. So I just like to buy a lot of vegetables now and do more fruits. And just trying to balance blood sugar and regulate my blood sugar in return to help my hormones be more balanced. I'll probably make more of these videos in the future, so stay tuned. Hopefully you guys liked it. If not, let me know in the comments below what type of videos you guys would like to see from me, and I will talk to you guys on my next video. Bye guys.